son went to their neighbors for steal some vegetables. One night, the father took his son to their neighbors to steal some carrots. To steal some carrots. The father put out some carrots. His son stood beside him. Suddenly, his son whispered, "Daddy, someone is looking at us." The father became afraid. He quickly looked around, but he couldn't see anyone. Where? Who? He asked. His son pointing at the sky. "There, Daddy, it's the moon. The moon is looking at us." He shocked it with what his son was. He thought like that. No one can see what he was doing at night. But his son's words made him feel ashamed. He threw down the carrot and take his son by the hand. They both go back home at the moonlight. After that,